Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Attio CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you import or upload your contact list into your Attio CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to import your contacts into your Attio CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's pretty common to switch over to a different software provider, but you want to be sure to bring in your contacts with you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Attio CRM dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Attio CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to import your contact list, here on the left side, you're going to click on People. Once you do that, you're going to look up to the top right, and there's this Import Export button. Click on there. Okay, once you do that, you're going to click on Import CSV. Okay, here is where you can go ahead and import your customer list. You do need to make sure that your list is in CSV format. If you need help converting, say, an Excel format into CSV, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. For me, I'm going to go ahead and click right here, choose a CSV file. Okay, I grabbed my CSV file. I'm going to click on this blue next button here at the very bottom right. Okay, next you want to go ahead and map out the information. Once you've done, go ahead and click on continue here at the bottom right. Okay, next you want to make sure the information matches up correctly. If so, click on continue here at the bottom. Okay, next Attio is asking, are you sure you want to start the import? Go ahead and click start here. Okay, now it says the import has been completed, and to confirm, you can come back over here on the left and click on people. All right, quick second later, you can see all of the contacts that you imported into your Attio CRM. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to import a spreadsheet of your contacts into your Attio CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.